Introduced in 2015, the Aprilia Factory Works project offered the public RSV4 superbikes built to world superbike and superstock specs. The motorcycles have been sold and supported directly by Aprilia Racing, and offered the perfect out-of-box tool for serious racing in top-level series, collectors, or those seeking the ultimate Aprilia track bike. For 2017, the Aprilia Factory Works project is bigger and faster than ever. 4 RSV4 FW bikes will be available: FWS SDK1, FWS SDK2, FWS BK, and the one that will not go unnoticed, the FW-GP. The 2017 Aprilia RSV4 FW-GP's 65-degree V4 is based on the same one in the RSGP 15 that was used during Aprilia's return to MotoGP in 2015. The RSV4 FW-GP is fitted with a V4 that has its bore increased to 81mm from base model 78mm bore, and pneumatic valve timing, metal bellows with compressed air close valves over traditional springs that should offer a serious upper RPM limit. Aprilia says this combines to create more than 250 horsepower.